braided my hair down, and so this is how I'm going to start my crochet faux locks off. You do have the option to leave out about 2 to 3 rolls all the way around your head, to do the same crochet style that I'm going to do. But honestly, I'm doing the quick and easy way to do this, and that is doing it like this. So let's stay tuned. Just a little quick update. I've gotten nice and comfortable, and I'm ready to now actually install my faux locks. My hair is nicely braided. I tucked it, and we're ready to start. So again, it's about 20 to 22 in each of the packs. They send you 6 packs, and I want to use all 6 packs. I may not need to use all 6 packs. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 braids in my hair. So here's all the packs. And I opened one earlier today to try it out. It's 18 inches. And let's get started. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to start a trick. If you are doing crochets like how I'm doing, a lot of times when you watch videos, they always start in the back. I like to start in the front because you can always feel the back. You want to make sure the front looks good. So today I'm going to start in the front compared to when I normally start, which will be in the back, and where you always see for everyone else that always starts in the back. That's just a trick. If you want to make sure that you have enough hair to last the entire style, start in the front and work your way back, and you'll be okay. Or you can do 2 rows of the crochet in the back, and then do the front, and then feel. That's just my recommendations, just a trick of the trade, because sometimes you run low on hair. I know for a fact I won't have a problem today with that. Perfect. I won't have a problem today with that, but you know, that's just a little tip. So here's my hair, and it comes with like a loop. It's a pre-looped faux lock. It's somewhat of a distress loop, but not. And again, it is 18 inches. So I'm going to open the loop. I'm going to take my needle, put it through there. You see how that last is open? See, close, open. Let's switch hands. Yeah. I'm going to open the clasp, and I'm going to put the hair there, close the clasp, and pull the hair through. Because I am doing it this way, I don't have to pull it from the bottom. And then boom, we got a crochet. Ooh, we have one already installed. I might go in a little bit closer and do one right there, but we'll see how it looks in the end if I need to. And let's just continue the process. Open it up. Here's the hole. Take my thing, my needle, my crochet needle, pull it through. Take the hair. The clasp must be open. Close the clasp. Okay. Open the hole and pull it through. This is the easiest way to do these, literally, because you're just crocheting them in compared to having to hide your hair through it, which is easy as well, but it just takes more time to braid your hair and just a little bit more time than this. Like this, you can literally do this in an hour, 2 hours, literally, and be done with your hair compared to like 5 hours. And like when you normally do it, well, I wouldn't say 5, I would say 3.5, because you still already have these pre-made and you're not doing the whole wrapping process. So it does cut a lot of time, the fact that you don't have to wrap.